Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to get into My Eyes only on Snapchat without passcode. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So I'm going to opening my memories and here we can see My Eyes only option. So I'm going to tapping on this, and as you can see here, it is asking for me to put my passcode, and after putting my passcode I'm in my eyes only section. So here is no option to disable or deactivate this passcode option from this My Eyes sections. So you can tap on this option here and you can change your passcode. So you have to enter here your passcode to view your My Eyes only photos. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.